Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. There's growing anger and frustration with the fines being imposed by the courts for COVID-19 safety breaches. Residents say the fines are costing them hundreds of thousands of dollars. The Court Administration Division, in the meantime, has dismissed one specific case that has drawn the ire of some observers. More in this report.
Frustrated St. Thomas residents direct their anger at the authorities over the large fines being handed out to people who breach the COVID-19 protocols outlined under the Disaster Risk Management Act. Close to 60 residents were hauled before the St. Thomas Parish Court this week. Combined, the fines total over $8 million for COVID-19 safety breaches. Of the 60 persons, 22 of them were slapped with $200,000 fines. Some of the residents were spotted in the precincts of the court with money in their hands. They said they were trying to come up with the funds to pay the fines.
Then charge my brother $200,000, it's a $90,000. Now for my little brother now when now work. My brother have four pitney have in now work. And for you charging $200,000 and if you find $200,000 today and like you can get 2 days or 3 days for pay money. And if you can't find it, that jailing gun.
It is totally unfair and wellness. You can't have poor people fitness up. Remember your time will come up on all we have them 4 o'clock. Everybody have them 4 o'clock. And be careful we have to poor people, so I can say Prime Minister.
But the Court Administration Division, in response to the outrage, reminded the public that the law gives the judges the discretion to impose these fines.
Section 52 of the DRMA establishes the offenses and penalties under the law, the maximum fine of which is $1 million. Now, the maximum fine that was issued at the St. Thomas Parish Court was $200,000. Those fines were issued to adult individuals who were charged.
The Court Administration Division also addressed the case involving a teen who also found himself in trouble with the law for DRMA breaches. The case attracted the attention of the opposition leader, who cried foul about the fine reportedly given to the teen. But Ms. Fletcher says the family's claims are not accurate.
He was not fined $200,000. Minors are not ordinarily listed before the criminal court. This only occurs in instances where they are charged with an adult, and in those circumstances, a parent or guardian is present. The minor in question was charged and brought before the court as an adult. When his age was brought to the attention of the judge, he was admonished by the judge and the matter transferred to the Children's Court, where he is to appear.
In March, Parliament amended the DRMA to allow for 40 offences which carry fines ranging from $3,000 to $500,000 under a tier system. But that is not yet in effect, so judges have to use the legislation which gives them the power to impose fines of up to $1 million. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.